Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a server in the Discord. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone and make sure you're logged in to your account. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left to open the server list. Now tap and hold or just tap the server icon you want to delete. Now tap on the server name to open the server settings. Tap on settings. Once you are on your server settings menu, scroll all the way down to find the option called delete server. It usually the last item on the list and mark in red. Tap delete server or delete channel. Now Discord will ask you to confirm your action. You might need to type the server name exactly as it appears or enter a 2FA code. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, once you confirm, the server will be permanently deleted. But remember, you can't get it back, and all the channels, messages, and members will be removed. So only delete if you are really sure. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and see you